Did you know that when you take turmeric on its own, your body will be unable to absorb it? In this video, we're diving into the golden word of turmeric, and I will show you how to consume turmeric in a way that your body can absorb it properly and you can reap the maximum benefit from it. Have you thought about why so many people are raving about turmeric but still don't experience its full potential? It is about how you consume it. So, what is turmeric? Now, turmeric is a vibrant yellow spice, originates from India, and it has been celebrated for centuries in traditional medicine. So, when we talk about turmeric, we're basically talking about its amazing health benefits. It has been shown to reduce inflammation, it improves cognitive function, it improves healthy digestion, it reduces high cholesterol, helps with liver diseases, arthritis. It is even used to support cancer treatment. You can name it. But here is the thing. The vast majority of people who take turmeric supplements or add it to their food aren't actually absorbing the active compound. Now, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, and all the rave about turmeric is just because of curcumin. However, curcumin is notoriously known to be hard for our bodies to absorb. In fact, studies have shown that our bodies can only absorb around 2 to 5% of the curcumin that we ingest. It means that if you're taking turmeric supplement or you're adding it to your food, the majority of it is just passing through you without giving you any of the benefits that you are actually looking for. And that's a total waste. It means we're not getting the health benefits that we're looking for. We're just basically throwing our money down the drain. So, what can you do about it? There are things we can do to increase the body's ability to absorb curcumin, and that is what we want to look at in this video. We want to look at ways to increase the absorption of turmeric by the body. So, tip number one, combine turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2000%. Just a small pinch of black pepper is enough to make a big difference. So the next time when you add turmeric to your recipes, remember to add a pinch of black pepper. The popular Indian recipe known as the golden milk is made with turmeric, milk, and some spices, and this recipe solves the issue of curcumin absorption. Tip number two, pair turmeric with healthy fats. So curcumin is fat soluble, which means that it needs to dissolve in fat to be absorbed by your body. So when using turmeric, try to pair it with healthy fats like coconut oil, olive oil, or even a bit of avocado. Tip number three, heat your turmeric. So gentle heating enhances the solubility of curcumin, making it easier for your body to absorb. So when cooking with turmeric, let it warm up for a few minutes in your meal, but remember, don't overcook it, as too much heat may degrade its benefits. But here is one last hack, which is the most effective absorption hack of all, and this is backed by some serious science. So a study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that adding a special ingredient to turmeric increased its absorption by a staggering 7 to 8 times. And this special ingredient is known as GLA, or gamma linoleic acid, and it's found in sources like evening primrose oil or blackcurrant oil. So why does GLA make such a big difference? So GLA helps to emulsify curcumin, making it way more bioavailable for our bodies. And when we combine GLA with other absorption hacks like the black pepper and healthy fats that we mentioned, we can literally boost the absorption of turmeric through the roof. You may be wondering if you should use fresh turmeric or powdered one. The truth is that both of them are great, but with different tastes. Fresh turmeric has a more vibrant taste, while turmeric powder is convenient and is still effective. But be mindful of how you prepare each to ensure you're getting the full benefits. And as always, quality matters, so opt for organic turmeric whenever possible. Did you find this video helpful? Please support it by hitting the like button and sharing this video. It makes the algorithm promote this video. Also share and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Let me know in the comments how you love to use turmeric, or if you have any favorite recipes with turmeric. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.